Please subscribe to Alpha Motorcyclist and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos notifications. So good morning guys. So I guess you must be wondering where I am, but I think by the title of the description you might be knowing that I am at Qutub Minar. So just planned this particular visit with my cousin Shubham. So this is Sunday morning and hope to have a blast over here. So let's move it. So this is the place where we are gonna submit our bags. भैया बैग सबमिट करना. So this is the entry gate of the majestic Qutub Minar. So we have actually parked our bikes over there, somewhere there, and bought our ticket from this particular side and submitted our bags over that place. So he's my cousin Shubham. So he's accompanying me.
That place was awesome.
So guys, this is the grand entrance for Qutub Minar, and this is the kind of a small publication counter over here where you can see and buy books if you want. So right now time is 7:30, and I think Shubham, this is the right time to visit Qutub Minar, right?
Yeah.
Because it's very less crowded, and obviously you can enjoy the place much more. Less of hustle bustle. So this is the way towards Quwwat ul Islam Masjid, and the forward way is towards the Qutub Minar. So guys, I have visited Qutub Minar n times, but this is for the very first time I'm visiting in the VRs. So I'm finding it extremely great, and it's going good. So far so good. So guys, now I'm gonna give you the actual height per view of Qutub Minar. So guys, to give you the historical perspective of Qutub Minar, it was built, the foundation stone, the laying stone was done by Qutbuddin Aibak around 1100 or late 1100th century. So now we are taking the periphery of Qutub Minar. See, this is so high and so majestic. So this is the back side of Qutub Minar. So guys, later in the video I'm gonna show you that particular portion of Qutub Minar wherein the Jannat Part 2 song was shot. featuring Imran Hashmi and the gorgeous Isha Gupta. So let's go from this side. But guys, I must say, in the early morning hours, when the temperature is not that high, it's feeling extremely great. So guys, the first time when I came to Qutub Minar was when I was in the school around 8th or 9th, and the structure still it's been there like this only. So guys, this is the place where probably the bench was placed for that particular song shoot of Jannat 2, Tu Hi Mera. So now obviously they have removed the bench from this side, but this was the place. Doesn't it look nice? Guys, this tree has been there since many ages. वैसे गए यहाँ पर ज़्यादा कुछ एंटरटेनमेंट या कुछ घूमने के लिए कुछ खास नहीं है, बट इफ़ यू कम अप विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड विद योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स देन यू कैन हैव अ गाला टाइम विद देम. So guys, the best part after Qutub Minar is this. Alai Minar. So let's have a closer view of the same. So this is the majestic again Alai Minar. I think it was probably built after Qutub Minar, but somehow due to certain situations and circumstances and I think many invasions and attacks, this wasn't completed. So it was left as it is. So this has been there like this only. So we are taking the merry-go-round of Alai Minar. See, it is so less crowded. I'm literally feeling like I own this place. See, both the Qutub Minar and the Alai Minar in the same frame. So guys, we have almost covered most of the things to be covered in Qutub Minar, but still we are left with one thing, and that is this iron pillar. Not sure about the history of the iron pillar, but it's been said that the rulers, they used to fasten up, they used to tie up the offenders and the guilty over here, and they used to punish them. I'm not sure how real is this thing, but this is it. So guys, we went from this side and we took the whole circle, and now we have come from this side. So whenever I visit Qutub Minar, I always remember my school days, my college days, and the Kala time spent with my friends over here. It all comes like a flash. So guys, this is the kind of span of Qutub Minar and its territory. So guys, now it's 8:37 and it's becoming hotter and hotter by each passing minute. So guys, the time has come to end the vlog over here because it's already 8:40. So guys, in the end, I would just like to say, ride hard and ride safe. This was the place. Doesn't it look nice? Doesn't it look like? क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Doesn't it look like? Doesn't it look nice?